Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absorb. 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 Absorb is a verb used to describe the action of taking in or soaking up something, often a liquid or information, and making it a part of a larger entity. It can refer to physical processes, as well as mental or conceptual processes. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Sponges are designed to absorb water, making them useful for cleaning spills. Why absorb use in example number 1? In this example, absorb describes the physical process of soaking up water. Example number 2. Plants absorb sunlight during photosynthesis to convert it into energy. Why absorb use in example number 2? Here, absorb is used to explain the process by which plants take in sunlight for energy. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.